Welcome to So Talkies. Before we getting into this, let us see a scenario. A civil engineer wants to build a multi-level complex and he must plan a strong basement according to the number of floors to be built. He needs timely material supply and budget according to his plan. Upon successful completion, he begins construction from the basement and it will take few years to complete the multi-level complex. Remember, the basement should be strong according to the height of the building. Like a basement for multi-level complex, we need 3 lifestyle basements in our life. It should be safe, protect us as a shield and to support challenges in real life to improve our quality of life. Once these basements are strong, we can reach any goals with confidence. The 3 basements in our life are life insurance, health insurance and investments. One cannot eliminate the possibility of any unforeseen emergency in one's life. Nobody can predict it, but people can definitely prepare for it. Life insurance is the best way to cover your risk due to any unforeseen emergency. We regularly renew our insurance for 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers with an annual premium of 3,000 to 15,000, which is for non-human life. However, we do not give importance to human life to insure ourselves, which costs you around 18,000 annually. Remember, insurance acts as a cash shield that gives your family the cash flow to maintain the same quality of life. Health insurance. The cost of treatment for any illnesses is rising, and as you get older, your health will become unpredictable and so the cost will increase sharply. The best way to protect yourself from such rising prices and risk is through buying a health insurance. In the event of any unforeseen emergency, allows you to cover the cost incurred on hospital bills and keeps you hassle free. Nowadays, hospital bills for a minor illnesses or injury are easily equal to someone's 3 months salary. So, having a health insurance policy is very important for you and your family. Investments. Most of us make and hold some investments. Some of us may have their own interest in investing and earning an extra income, and some of them may have invested because someone forced you, or we invest in what our friends do. Each person has certain policies when it comes to investments. After investing according to your needs and then learning the real aspect of investment, you can build your cash asset. Creating income is not easy and requires some wise decision and the right financial allocation for different investment classes to help you to create cash asset. Investment allows you to grow wealth-wise in the community and also create extra money to lead a comfortable life to fulfill your dreams. Money is not everything, but money is important in today's lifestyle. Investment help us to grow our money and help us in our emergency situation. The best way to build our asset is through a systematic investment plan in mutual funds. Finally, are we covered by these lifestyle basements? The answer is yes, no, and partial as well. One may have life insurance and investments, but most of us fail to get health insurance. In the recent pandemic situation, it taught us the benefits and importance of health insurance. Now we are going to look at the approximate cost of covering the basements of our lifestyle. Let us have a basic financial planning for a family of 2 adults and 1 child. A life term insurance costs you 1,500 rupees per month. A health insurance costs you 1,500 rupees per month. A systematic investment plan in mutual fund costs you 3,000 rupees per month. So, in total of 6,000 approximately, you can cover these lifestyle basements. You may be wondering on how I can keep 6,000 per month. Check your unnecessary expenses for the last 3 months, which will be enough to cover. Here is some checklist for you on how to find and reduce the cost. Try to close small debts that saves your EMI. An expensive meal at the restaurant, frequent or weekend shopping or entertainment. Still you have not found a way to cut? Here is another way. Generally, if you want to complete the degree, you must study and pass all the semesters year of the years in 3 years to obtain the certificate. Similarly, try to focus on one of the choices. If you are a working professional, you will usually be covered by health insurance by your company. You can buy term insurance and make systematic investment plan according to your goal. If you are in business, focus on life insurance, health insurance, systematic investment plan, and your business specific insurance one by one. Considering one by one, you can easily achieve these lifestyle basements and focus on your self development to achieve your goals or research a new way of approach in your business. Now back to the construction scenario. The multi-level complex construction is completed and is ready for commercial. The campus now has a brand and this place is a milestone and people in the cities come to shop. The showroom owners makes a profit from their business and of course the owner of multi-level complex earns every second while you sleep. So once you completed your lifestyle basements, focus on your self-development to achieve your goals or research a new way of approach in your job or in your business. Are you confused about where to invest and how to get started? Coming back to the same scenario, do you think the owner of multi-level complex has the idea to create such a big project on his own? Instead, he hired a civil engineer who knew everything and was hired to build. The owner reviewed every piece of the building and focused on his business. Similarly, we may not have enough knowledge about investment products in the short, medium, and long term. Instead, we may appoint a financial advisor who knows everything about investment products to suit your needs and review your portfolio from time to time, and you can simply hire a financial advisor like a civil engineer and focus on your business. For more details, please reach out to your financial advisor or mutual fund distributors near you. Please subscribe to our channel to get more updates and do let us know your feedback and list down your requirements in comments field. Thank you.